Good day everyone, I'm Carl Joshua M. Concepcion. Today we are going to present our developed system which is food ordering system. For the introduction of the study, we develop an online system as a courier service in which a restaurant or independent food delivery company deliver food to a consumer and it's called as a retail food delivery, where it allows the consumers or the customers to order in their own convenience. They have option on how to pay it, how to receive it, and to choose any kind of food or drink they want. One particular reason why it is convenient is that it is designed in very modest way. It provides complete dashboard with information about menus and orders. Since everything nowadays are in related or connected to technology, food ordering system is one of its product and it can be defined as a simple and convenient way for the customers to purchase food online without having to go to the restaurant, giving every people an advantage to manage their time by doing their own things and at the same time waiting for their food to be delivered for them to consume. One best thing here in the system is that it is developed to be user-friendly, where customer can operate it easily and they just need to create their account by putting their information such as name, address, and etc. All these information are guaranteed secured and the system has a capability to help restaurant operators capture value customer data for them also to know their decision and the data when placing an order. To be precise, this system can be a life-changing system that can help not only the sales of the restaurant but also putting the customer's life at ease. And now, we will proceed to statement of the problem and objectives that will be discussed by Princess Goodell.
Statement of the problem and objectives. The purpose of this study is to answer the following question. Number 1, how to develop an online food ordering system that can have the customers browse and place their order conveniently. Customer doesn't need to have technical knowledge about the system. The system is developed to be user-friendly because the system includes search bar where they can look for the specific food they want to have. Number 2, how to create a system that will ensure in-time process of their orders from the food counter down to customer's own home. With this system, it will be easy for them to order food without going to the fast food, restaurant, and other food industry. This means logging in on their phones and place their order. Number 3, how could the online ordering system ensure privacy details provided by the customer's users? It is stated in the terms and condition that anything in the system, including the food suppliers, are protected by international copyright laws, and the compilation of all the content of the system is the exclusive property of the system itself, with copyright authorship for this collection by the system itself. Lastly, how to provide a login form to know what type of user will be using the system. The system includes the login form for the admin, where they can modify the food item, including the price and the order details, and for the customer to view and place their order.
For the scope and limitation, the development of food ordering system will include, first, the system will provide an area wherein they can view and manage their orders. The user will be able to view and control their orders to the system by clicking the cart. The customer will have an option if they want to delete their order, check out, and also it has an empty cart button to remove all the orders from the cart. The second one is, the guest can only browse the application but no transaction can be held unless they registered. If the user is not yet registered, only limited features of the system will see. No transaction can be completed until they registered in our system, because we have the terms and conditions that the customers must read and understand before the system can be used. Registration can be easily done by filling up the form with their personal information such as first name, last name, address, contact number. The user will input their data and submit it to the system itself. This is easy to operate and to launch. Registration forms on landing pages are very important and should be optimized in order to encourage the user to sign up for their first name, last name, address, and contact number.
The login page can be found in the home page and in a separate page. The registered user must be verified first in order to log in successfully. Otherwise, they will be prompted by an error message. In order for the users to continue login with the system, they must be verified first together with their own username and password. All available food items will with the respective prices will be displayed online in the food ordering system website itself. The food items will be displayed including the price for the user to easily see the price of the food they want to order. After you have chosen your dishes, the following step is to add them to your cart. This page clearly indicates the overall price of the food products that the user has selected as well as the price of each individual item. The system includes the cart where they can add the food items they want to order. In this page, it indicates the food item, the quantity of the item, and also the overall price of the food products the user want to order, and will let the user continue shopping and check out their order.
I'm Rommel T. Karon and I will discuss the limitations. First, the customer must agree and carefully read the terms and conditions of the application. The system has terms and conditions that must be read and agreed by the user in order to create an account because the user must know what happened to the data that they enter. Also, it contains the way that how the system works. Second, there are limited food that can be bought only those on the browser page can be purchased. When choosing food, only the food displayed on the food list page can be ordered and purchased. Third, the company will not allow customer to request for a refund if the items were delivered in good condition. Once the food is delivered in good condition, the money paid by the user cannot be refunded. Lastly, delivery must be awaited because our carrier use bicycles only for eco-friendly protocols. It prefers that the delivery carrier uses the bike for eco-friendly, so we ask the user must wait for their orders. This is the architectural framework of our system. It shows the flow and how the system works. There are two users who can log into the system. This is the customer and admin. The customer is the one who orders, pays, and browses the available foods. The admin turn handles and records the customer data, and admin also enters the manager's data and the food that the manager want to sell. And this is our system. This is the home page. The customer and managers can see our logo and tagline. Also, it has button order now to go on login page. The About page contains the information about our system. Also, the informations of the developers indicate and are located in this page. Contact us. The Contact Us page has contact form that the customer can fill out if they have concerns. And when they click the submit button, the data in the contact form will be uploaded to the database and sent to the admin. The sign up button has two options, the user and the manager sign in. The user sign up will generate the form that the customer should fill up to create an account. Also, customer should read and agree terms and conditions. Same with user sign up, the manager should fill up the form, and when the sign up is complete, you can log in now. This is the food list page where the available food displayed. In this page, customer can add to cart the food what they want. Also, the customer indicate how many order they want. We try one. You can see in the cart page the orders of the customer. They have option if the customer want to remove or check out their order. Also, the customer can empty the enter list like that, and go to food list again. This is the logout button that can log out the user's account. And I will log in manager. This is the control panel of the manager where the manager can add food, add restaurant, view food items in his restaurant. Also can edit food, delete, and view the orders. All the data that entered will be uploaded to our database. And that's it. That's how our system works. Thanks for listening.